Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen one more time again. Anyway, I've just show you guys how to marinate your Christmas chicken. This is a chicken for fried chicken. Beautiful recipe, guys. It's amazing, you know what I mean? Such chicken, guys, when you do this at home and you fry it, it's come out so lovely, beautiful, and tenders and so nice. So hopefully, guys, will like the recipe. Subscribe to the channel, leave your comments. This is a Christmas fried chicken dinner. How to marinate it and get it ready for Christmas dinner, guys. So guys, thank you so much, and subscribe to the channel, leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. Hopefully we can come out with better and best for the future. See you next time. Bye bye. Welcome back again in the kitchen, guys. It's just amazing to be in the kitchen to give you your favorite dishes. Basically, I want to simply say to you, I just wash off my meat with some lemon juice, or you can use some white vinegar. A lot of people don't wash their meat because they say it do bacteria and all this flush bacteria on the wall and bring a lot of bacteria. But you know what I mean, as I said before in my video, that my band come see my grandmother, my mom, everyone doing it. So that's my tradition also too. So basically, we want to get the meat. This is some fried chicken recipe which I'm going to give you. Basically, I want to simply say they cut up into some small pieces. As you can see right here, some of the fat I already remove off. I remove the skin from it because the skin is not healthy for you guys, and that's why I remove the skin. So as you can see, I just wash it off with some lemon juice, or you can use white vinegar or male vinegar. Which vinegar you like to use is up to you guys, option wise where you want to. If you don't want to wash your meat, it's up to you. But I always wash my meat before I start to marinate it. Alright? First of all, we're going to marinate it. It's a simple. We're going to put on, first of all, natural season. This is some fresh thyme right here. We're going to show you how to marinate your fried chicken recipe, special fried chicken recipe for your Christmas dinner. So first of all, we have a pinch of fresh thyme right here, which we put it on. This is some garlic I chopped up a while ago. Roughly 2 cloves of garlic, chopped up very finely, and put it on it. This is some spring onion, which we are putting also on it, just like this, guys. Okay, guys, let's see exactly what's going on. I use 1 stalk of spring onion, lovely, and this is half of a white onion, which we are putting on it just like this. Make you guys can see exactly what's going on inside of this container right here. Lovely and nice. So that's all the natural seasoning we're going to use on it. Simple. We're going to put some coarse pepper. Coarse pepper, lovely. Second thing, I have some olive oil which I'm going to put also on it. This is some lovely olive oil which we are pouring in. So roughly about 2 large tablespoons of olive oil. Beautiful and nice. Nice. So that's the olive oil. Second thing, we're going to put 1 large spoon of paprika. This is a large spoon of paprika on top of it like this. A large spoon and a half more paprika. The amount of chicken which I'm using at the moment, I would want on a simple set is 2 kilos of chicken, so it's a lot of chicken, guys. This is some chicken season, and I'm gonna use half tablespoon of chicken seasoning. Nice and lovely. So as you can see exactly where Chef Ricardo is all about with this. This is some garlic and coriander, half tablespoon. Let's see what else I have right here. This is some all-purpose season, and we're gonna use half spoon of the all-purpose seasoning. Lovely and nice. As you can see exactly what's going on right here, guys. This is some grounded pimento. It's gonna use a pinch. Nice and lovely. So a lot of season. Got chicken season on it already. This is some everyday season. I'm gonna put a pinch of everyday season, not too much. Second thing I want to simply say to you, we don't need no salt. All of these seasoned already have salt, guys. So what I want to simply say to you, just be careful. You don't need any salt. All you need to do is just simply give it a nice, lovely marinated like this. Get it marinated. All of those natural seasoning inside of it. As you can see, looking so lovely and nice. The only thing why I put so much paprika on it, you see the paprika now is just give it a nice lovely flavor and a nice lovely after when you're frying it. You know what I mean? But basically what I'm doing now is just getting my meat ready for Christmas Day. So while most Jamaican do, they marinate their chicken, like what you see I'm doing right here, and put it down. That means that on the day of Christmas, before the day of Christmas, take it back from your freezer and get it out, and then they're gonna just simply fry it. So all of these recipes where we are marinating, you will see them in the next few days time, how they prepare. Alright? So this is how we Jamaican would normally marinate up their chicken, get it ready for Christmas dinner. And not only that, you can also bake it. So basically, this is my frozen bag right here, and I'm gonna simply pop my chicken down inside of it like this. Lovely and nice. So what I'll do now, I will just marinate this chicken, and I will put it in my freezer. So tomorrow gonna be Wednesday until Thursday. Thursday night or Friday morning, I will take it out. Thursday night, I will take it out and get it soaked out. Getting all of those seasoning inside of it with the fresh thyme and everything, you can't go wrong, guys. Seriously. This is just really nice and beautiful. So as you can see, exactly what I'm doing right here. Nice and lovely. So guys, hopefully all I need to do is just label it, right? Chicken, the date, and if you don't use it for this month, you can use it next month. All right. So thank you so much for watching my cooking show. Hopefully we can come with better and best for the future. So thank you so much, guys, and see you next time. And this is from Chef Ricardo. Bye bye.